Greetings, traders. It's Wednesday, June 23rd, 2021. And I don't know about you, but you know what? I'm actually pretty sure about you. I know I like learning things. And if you're here, you probably like learning things too. Now, this may not be news to you, not 100% news to me. I mean, I get the idea of supply and demand, how it affects the prices of things. But in today's email that we received in our inbox from Tasty Trade today, more on that later. Stay to the end, please. It helps me and helps hopefully you too. But anyway, we get the email today that talked about COIN. We're looking at COIN today, the ETF that tracks cryptocurrencies, probably has a large holding with Bitcoin. Anyway, geopolitical factors that influence the price of crypto, which I just thought was really interesting. So if Bitcoin is mined primarily in a particular country, and then that country might potentially outlaw that or, crack down on it, that, increases or decreases the supply potential, right? And then therefore boosts the price up. That's just kind of interesting, and then will it pop up in other places? You really got to get these emails. Check them out. We'll tell you how to get those at the end. But anyway, we're looking at Bitcoin, or I should say COIN, the ETF. It's got a liquidity rank of 3 out of 4, as seen by the drops over yonder. And we're going to be in the weeklies. We're going to be in the July 30th weeklies, which means we're going to have a little bit of an issue with, liquidity there. It's going to drop the liquidity down. And we're looking at doing a short put, a naked put, which, hey, if I'm looking at Bitcoin right now, it's $34,000 a coin, I think, if I'm reading this correctly. One share of coin is $224. So I guess you could risk that little if you'd like, to just own a share of it. For those of you crypto trading people, I'm wondering how much you're actually risking at once, because today's trade could have you risking about $17,000. Well, let's take a look, shall we? Hi, everybody. This is Option Theory, and my name is Neil. Thank you so much for joining us. I do appreciate you being here. On screen here, you can see that we've got Thinkorswim pulled up, because that's where we do our simulated trading. If you're looking to take your trading and your practicing from being a passive learning to an active learning experience, stay tuned to the end. Once again, we'll tell you how to join us. Let's take a quick look at the market health overnight here in the futures. We can see that the S&Ps are basically unchanged. NASDAQ the same, Dow the same, gold is up, crude is up almost 0.9%. Russell's down 10%. So a little bit of a mixed bag of tricks, but mostly green on the screen, I would say. I think you'd agree too, right? Let's close that side drawer here so we have more screen real estate. And let's go take a look at the charts, right? Where's the chart? There we go. Not a lot of history for COIN. There it is. We had a relatively big green candle yesterday, but we're definitely down near our lows. Okay, now, we've stabilized. It sure seems like we've stabilized. That doesn't mean it couldn't drop even more, but who knows? So let's go ahead and take a look at today's trade. It'll be a fast one, because building the trade is really easy. We're looking at being at the July 30th with 37 days. I might have said June earlier. I apologize if I did. July 30th weekly expiration, and we're looking to scroll down to where you see the 175 put. This is as sent to us in an email. We would just left click on the bid, and we would be short the 175 put. The bid ask is 40 cents wide, so we should be able to fill mid price, right? But then again, look at your open interest, 61. So hey, I've gotten filled on worse, and you could crank this up to 245 and feel pretty comfortable about getting filled there. You could penny down and see if you get filled. We'll see. But there is that trade. Now let's take a look at our probabilities and our max profit and max loss, right? So risk profile, set the date in the top right corner here to the date that you see in the bottom left corner in turquoise, which is July 31st. Let's get our expected move to the left edge, drag our expected move to the right edge. Right. Wow. So that's good. We are outside the expected move with our break even. That's kind of nice. Let's set that price slice to break even at expiration. And we're looking at an 89% probability of profit at expiration. Now, of course, those high probabilities come at a cost, right? What is that cost? And I'm going to have to work some TV magic here again, because whenever I right click and choose confirm and send, you don't see that window anymore. So let's see what happens. I'm gonna try something even more different today. And I wanna grab, give me a second, I can do this. Not this one. Maybe this one? Order confirmation dialog. Yeah, that's not coming up. I don't think it is. Nope. You're seeing absolutely nothing right now, aren't you? All right, let's go back. There we go. And then what we're gonna do is switch over to here. There it is. This is what I was trying to show you. And I don't know why when I selected that window, it didn't show up. I do apologize. But anyway, our max profit of $245, our max loss, this is what we're risking here. We're putting $17,255 on the line here. And this is crypto. It's the Wild West, man. It could go boop. There's nothing saying, you know, something crazy couldn't happen, and massive supply decreases prices, right? Who knows? So, because I'd like to do more than just do cherry bomb trades here, right? Let's go ahead and take a look at an alternative. And for me, that alternative's got to look at some liquidity numbers here, right? So what I'm thinking is we can sell this. Nope, that's what we were doing. We can sell the 185. Oops. Look at me. I'm all over the place here. That was weird. Sell the 185. Did I do that? Where'd it go? And then buy the 175. So we're doing a $10 wide. Now we're not collecting 245, 250, or this time we're going to collect half. But if we take a look at the risk profile, instead of risking $17,000, we're risking $875. So you can take a bullish position on Bitcoin. Oh, by the way, what's our probabilities for this one? 81, almost 82%, dropping down from 89. Still a high probability with a lot less risk. Okay, so if I was going to put a coin trade on, which I'm going to, it's going to be in real, like this. If this were real dollars, I don't think I'd feel comfortable with a naked put just yet. And since I'm going to trade this as if this were real dollars, I'm going to right click this trade. I know you can't see it. Oh, you can actually. That's because I'm still in that view, right? Here it is. $875 a risk is more my speed. Still a little much, to be honest, but you know, I can live with that. Take a position in coin and let's see what happens. I'm going to put that one in my margin account and click send, and we did it. Let's go back to that one there and head back to the monitor tab. Always like to make sure that you guys see that because I'm not hiding anything here. Our SPY trade that we put on Monday, let's see how that's doing for us. Okay, that's the naked put here. It's doing all right for us, $58. Let's head over to the IRA just real fast to see how this one's doing for us. Okay, we are up $290 in SPY with the synthetic shares on that one. There you go. There's that trade. If you didn't check that trade out yet, I'd like to know what you think about that one. Head on back. Hopefully a little card's showing up on the top of the screen, top right there. Give that a click. Let me know what you think. If you made it this far into the video, I'm going to give you a thumbs up. If you think I earned one, would you hit that little thumbs up button too? And if you stayed this far, you must want to know how to get these emails. So here it comes. Head on down to the description. I have a bit.ly link there for you. It'll take you over to Tasty Trade's website. Not an affiliate link in any way. I am not compensated in any way. I would always tell you if for some reason I have content that's paid or affiliate in any way, I of course would disclose that. This is just me believing in what they say, in their research, and thinking, hey, why don't you get some trade ideas sent to you? That's what I do, and that's what we're doing here. Give yourself some fuel to practice on. And once you build up a track record and you feel comfortable, go ahead and begin risking your own dollars. But I wouldn't do it until you feel confident, right? So after you're done subscribing to the Cherry Bomb newsletter, come on back here to this channel, please, and subscribe, would you? That really helps me. It's a boost of confidence, right? And then you can ring that bell too, because you'll get notified when these trade videos come out. And then you can put them on and it becomes active learning. And you can check back here and see how I'm doing, because we're going to manage these differently, maybe, right? When do I take them off? When do you take them off? Do you roll them? All those things. And ask questions too, please. Let this be an active experience. All right. Thank you so much for your views. Until I see you in tomorrow's Cherry Bomb, everyone, may the market be with you.